What if I told you there's a $30 part hiding in your engine bay that, when it fails, could drain your bank account for over $3,000 in cascade failures? Most drivers cruise past this ticking time bomb every single day, completely unaware it's silently sabotaging their engine's performance and their wallet's future. I'm about to reveal the 7 unmistakable warning signs your fuel pressure regulator is plotting against you. And some of these symptoms are so sneaky, they'll fool even experienced mechanics. The conductor of automotive chaos. Right now, as you're reading this, your engine is performing an intricate ballet of combustion. Every microsecond, fuel injectors are precisely metering gasoline into your combustion chambers at exactly the right pressure. But there's one tiny component orchestrating this entire performance: your fuel pressure regulator. Picture this little device as the conductor of a world-class orchestra. When it's functioning flawlessly, every instrument plays in perfect harmony, creating that smooth, efficient power you love. But when this conductor loses control, complete mechanical mayhem erupts. Here's what most people don't realize: your fuel pressure regulator isn't just some optional accessory. It's typically a vacuum-operated marvel mounted at the end of your fuel rail, looking deceptively simple with its small metal housing and single vacuum hose connection. Inside this unassuming cylinder lives a thin diaphragm membrane that responds to vacuum changes like a mechanical genius. But here's where disaster strikes. That diaphragm will eventually tear. It's not a matter of if, it's when. And once it fails, fuel starts getting sucked directly into your intake manifold, where it absolutely has no business being. Think of it like a burst pipe in your house. The damage spreads fast and costs big. Warning sign number 1, your dashboard is screaming for help. That check engine light isn't just decoration. It's your car's desperate cry for attention. When your fuel pressure regulator starts failing, your engine computer becomes a digital detective, noticing something seriously wrong with the air-fuel mixture. Here's the tricky part that stumps countless drivers. You won't see a code specifically saying, "Replace your fuel pressure regulator." Instead, your scanner will display codes like P0172, System 2 Rich. Your car's brain is essentially screaming, "There's way too much fuel flooding in here and I can't compensate anymore." Ignore this warning and you'll graduate to the advanced class of automotive nightmares. Soon you'll see misfire codes, P031, P032, P033, marching across your scanner like a parade of expensive problems. That's because excess fuel is literally drowning your spark plugs in gasoline, preventing them from creating the spark needed for combustion. Don't be that driver who sees the check engine light and thinks, "I'll deal with it next month." Next month might mean replacing your entire ignition system. Warning sign number 2, fuel where fuel should never exist. Grab a flashlight and prepare for a revelation that could save you thousands. Walk over to your engine bay and locate that vacuum hose connected to your fuel pressure regulator. If you spot even a single drop of gasoline inside that vacuum line, your regulator's diaphragm has given up the ghost. This is automotive CSI at its finest. Fuel in your vacuum system is like finding blood at a crime scene. It's irrefutable evidence that something catastrophic has occurred. A properly functioning regulator maintains a perfect seal between fuel and vacuum systems. When you find fuel contamination in vacuum lines, it's game over for that regulator. Think of this discovery like finding water in your basement after a storm. You don't shrug and hope it evaporates. You immediately investigate the source and fix the breach before structural damage occurs. Warning sign number 3. Your wallet's worst nightmare at the pump. Suddenly feeling like you're living at the gas station? If your fuel economy has taken a nosedive and you're watching your hard-earned money evaporate into your gas tank, your fuel pressure regulator might be the silent thief robbing you blind. Here's the devastating reality. A torn regulator diaphragm creates a direct highway for fuel to bypass your precisely calibrated injection system. Instead of metered amounts delivered exactly when needed, raw gasoline gets sucked into your intake manifold like water through a broken dam. It's automotive waste on an epic scale. Picture leaving your garden hose running 24/7 in your backyard. That's essentially what's happening inside your engine. Constant fuel flow that serves no purpose except draining your bank account. A failing regulator can slash your fuel economy by 30% or more, turning your daily commute into a financial hemorrhage. Calculate this nightmare. If you're spending $150 per month on gas, a bad regulator could bump that to $200 or more. Over a year, that's an extra $600 just floating away in wasted fuel. Warning sign number 4, your engine's angry rebellion. Your engine should idle like a content cat purring on a sunny windowsill, smooth, steady, and peaceful. If your idle feels more like a paint mixer having a seizure, your fuel pressure regulator is likely throwing your air-fuel mixture into chaos. Perfect combustion requires a precise 14.7 to 1 air-fuel ratio. When excess fuel floods your intake manifold through a failed regulator, this delicate balance gets obliterated. Your engine struggles to burn this rich mixture efficiently, creating erratic combustion that translates into rough, vibrating idle conditions. Pay attention to your tachometer during idle. If those RPMs are bouncing around like a hyperactive child, don't automatically blame your idle air control valve or throttle body. A failing fuel pressure regulator could be the puppet master pulling the strings behind this automotive chaos. Professional mechanics know this secret. Rough idle combined with rich running conditions often point straight to regulator failure, not the usual suspects most DIY mechanics chase first. Performance that's going nowhere fast. Remember when your car responded to throttle input like an eager athlete? If now acceleration feels like you're dragging an anchor through molasses, your fuel pressure regulator might be sabotaging your engine's power potential. Excess fuel doesn't create more power, it creates more problems. When your combustion chambers are flooded with too much gasoline, the combustion process becomes inefficient and sluggish. It's like trying to start a campfire with gasoline instead of kindling. You get lots of smoke and drama, but terrible results. Your engine is essentially drowning in fuel, and drowning engines don't make horsepower, they make headaches. That responsive acceleration you once enjoyed becomes a memory as your engine struggles to process the fuel overload created by regulator failure. This performance degradation happens gradually, so many drivers adapt without realizing their car is operating far below its potential. Don't accept poor performance as normal aging. Investigate the root cause. The emissions test catastrophe. Here comes the expensive domino effect that transforms a $30 repair into a $3,000 nightmare. All that excess fuel doesn't magically disappear, it gets burned and expelled through your exhaust system, creating excessive harmful emissions that overwhelm your emission control components. Your catalytic converter becomes the ultimate victim in this scenario. Designed to handle normal exhaust output, it gets completely overwhelmed trying to process the pollution generated by your fuel-flooded engine. Think of a water filter trying to process muddy river water. It's going to clog and fail fast. When your catalytic converter surrenders to this overload, you're looking at replacement costs between $800 and $2,000. But the damage doesn't stop there. Your oxygen sensors, designed to monitor clean exhaust gases, also become casualties of this rich running condition. Failed emissions testing becomes inevitable, and in many states, you can't register your vehicle until these expensive repairs are completed. What started as a $30 regulator replacement suddenly becomes a multi-$1,000 emission system overhaul, the ultimate engine rebellion. The final symptom represents complete system breakdown, hard starting or total no-start conditions that leave you stranded and frustrated. Here's the devastating chain reaction that unfolds when you ignore the earlier warnings. Excess fuel creates carbon deposits on your spark plugs like barnacles on a ship's hull. These carbon-fouled plugs lose their ability to create the spark necessary for ignition. I've witnessed spark plugs so contaminated by rich running conditions that they look like they'd been dipped in black paint and left to cure. At this stage, you're not just replacing a fuel pressure regulator. You're looking at new spark plugs, possibly fuel injector cleaning or replacement, intake manifold cleaning to remove carbon deposits, and extensive diagnostic time to assess the collateral damage. The irony is heartbreaking. A $30 part that could have been replaced in 30 minutes has now created hundreds or thousands of dollars in additional repairs. The cost-saving revelation that changes everything? Here's the financial reality check that should motivate immediate action. A fuel pressure regulator typically costs between $25 and $80 depending on your vehicle. Installation requires basic tools and about 30 minutes of your time, even for novice mechanics. Compare that modest investment to the cascade of expensive failures I've just described. Catalytic converter replacement, $800 to $2,000. Oxygen sensor replacement, $200 to $400 each. Spark plug replacement, $100 to $300. Carbon cleaning services, $300 to $500. Failed emissions testing fees and retesting, $100 to $200. The math is brutally simple. Spend $30 to $80 today, or potentially spend $3,000 plus tomorrow when the damage spreads throughout your engine and emission systems. Your engine is trying to communicate with you through these 7 warning signs. The question is, are you listening? Don't become another statistic of automotive neglect. Take action now before that small problem becomes a financial catastrophe that could easily have been prevented. Remember, in the automotive world, an ounce of prevention truly is worth a pound of cure. Your future self will thank you for making the smart choice today.